Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Hoover with Soma Integrative Health Center. So what is cupping therapy and why do you need to know more? Let's start with the basics. Cupping is an ancient modality most commonly found in traditional Chinese medicine where you have typically a glass or plastic cup and there's a suction. It's put onto the body and it causes a negative pressure that pulls the skin into the cup. Why would you want to do something like that? Well, what it does is actually brilliant. It helps to draw fresh, oxygenated blood through the injured tissues, allowing them to heal more quickly, and at the same time, it's also pulling out old toxins that are not good for you. So we see with cupping that, these spots, it might be a red mark or a purple mark, that's fine, that's normal. And what's really interesting to me is actually the darker the mark, the more diagnostic, the more we know that was the area that actually needed it. Imagine if there's an old bruise deep in the belly of the muscle that never got to the surface and recirculated. So you have a blunt trauma. What we do is we put cups over the area, say you have shoulder pain, you put it over the area, and where there's a purple mark, but no purple mark, we know that's where the problem is. So I like to call it an old school MRI. Why do you need to know more about it? Because it can help so many conditions. So many, in fact, that it's become a standard best practice in sports medicine, particularly with Olympians. You may have seen some famous Olympians with these red or purple marks on different areas of their body. It's not because they were bad or they're late to practice and it was a punishment. It was actually to help them heal more quickly. So one of the things I like to tell patients when they come in is, hey, we're going to go ahead and treat you like an Olympian by providing you some cupping. You might also see it's quite popular and trending now with many different celebrities. It's not just because it's a trend. This has been going on for thousands of years. Oftentimes, the simplest approach is the best approach. So much of our pain is related to musculoskeletal injuries. Last thing I want to say that is worth mentioning, there's the fascia. It's that layer that surrounds the muscles. It's that like the saran wrap that surrounds the muscle. And there, a lot of times with massage, which is great, we're pushing, we're stretching. We need the yin to the yang. So if the pushing and stretching is yang, we need the yin. We need to draw and pull. You need to push and pull. And that's the missing link. That's why you see patients or athletes that go and try all these different modalities and maybe it worked, maybe it didn't, maybe it plateaued. But have you tried cupping? That often is the missing link for shoulder and low back pain, even knee pain. If you want to learn more about cupping, hit the subscribe button to learn more.